Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will not receive guidance for breaking laws or bypassing real-world security. Start with the safe, legitimate path. If this is an in-game Spymaster hideout in SSO, update the client and read the latest patch notes to see access conditions. Next, verify your character level, required quest flags, and any needed items or companions. Once done, log in, position yourself at the designated spawn area, and prepare to trigger the quest or zone entry using the official mechanics. Proceed through the middle sequence using only permitted game mechanics. Start by following the questline NPC prompts in order, because skipping steps often blocks access. This is why many updates add gated triggers. If the hideout requires timing, use stealth or cooldown management correctly and synchronize with teammates for simultaneous switches or puzzles. Make sure to clear nearby mobs first and watch for environmental clues. These are intentional design elements, not security flaws to be circumvented. Finish by performing the final scripted interaction, accepting any resulting quest rewards, and exiting through the intended game interface. If you cannot enter the hideout, do not attempt exploits. Instead, relog, verify game files, clear local caches, and retry the quest from the last safe checkpoint. If the problem persists, collect screenshots, timestamps, and error messages. Then file a formal bug report with support or post in official forums. Developers prefer reproducible steps and will patch legitimate access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.